Hi, in this video I show you how to install Windows 10 on Raspberry Pi. What is an operating system commonly used on Intel and AMD computers running on ARM processors? Here is an experience you should try and compare. First, you connect the memory card to your Windows computer using a card reader. On this computer you download Windows 10.ISO for ARM processors. I put the download link in the description. You download using torrent faster than downloading directly. So that you don't have to wait long, I have downloaded it to your computer. And here's Windows 10 ARM.ISO after download. So how to apply this file to the memory card? You use a software called Windows on Raspberry Pi. You use the link in the description and download the latest version. Download and unzip it. In the extracted folder, double-click the file named WOR. You follow these steps to apply Windows 10 image on memory card. You select the memory card from the drop-down list. Then select the model of Raspberry Pi you are using. You can install Windows 10 on Pi 3 or Pi 4. Next, you navigate to the Windows 10.ISO downloaded in the previous step. This software will mount Windows 10.ISO to access files. Thanks to that, it can apply different versions of Windows 10 to the memory card. You choose one of the versions in the drop-down list and apply it. Windows on Raspberry downloads some necessary files. Here is an overview of what was set up before installation. Then you wait patiently until you receive the completion notification page. The installation is successful and on your memory card appears the following folders. By this step you have completed applying the Windows 10 image to the memory card of the Raspberry Pi. Next, you plug the memory card into the Raspberry Pi. Then connect the monitor, mouse, keyboard to the Raspberry Pi. If you install Windows 10 using a local account, there is no internet connection. During the installation process, if you get an error like this, don't worry, just click skip and continue with the installation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I recommend you to install Windows 10 on Raspberry Pi 4 for a better experience. And here is the result after completing the installation. What do you see when you install Windows 10 on Raspberry Pi? Leave a comment. Good luck.